Are you excited about the new Redmi 13C launching in India? The Redmi 13C, successor to the Redmi 12C, has already made waves globally since its initial launch in November. This phone is a powerhouse, featuring a 9nm MediaTek Helio G99 SoC, a robust 5000 mAh battery, and 18W wired fast charging support. Now, this high-performing device is set to make its debut in the Indian market. Xiaomi has confirmed the launch date and even teased us with some color options. There's also been a leak of key specifications adding to the anticipation. So, what can we expect from the Indian variant of this globally acclaimed phone? Well, we can look forward to similar features, including the MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, mirroring its global counterpart. With the Indian variant set to launch on December 6th, let's dive into what we can expect from this new addition to the Redmi series. So, what separates the Indian variant of the Redmi 13C from its global counterpart? Let's delve into the details. Both the Indian and global variants of the Redmi 13C are expected to share a common engine, the MediaTek Helio G85 SoC. This powerhouse of a processor ensures smooth performance and efficient multitasking, making it a popular choice in this segment. Now let's switch our attention to the display. Rumors suggest that the Indian variant could sport a 6.74-inch HD plus LCD display, mirroring its global counterpart. With a resolution of 1080 by 2460 pixels and a refresh rate of 90 Hz, this display is set to offer a crisp, fluid viewing experience. But where the Indian variant really stands out is in its camera setup. The global variant already boasts a respectable camera unit, but the Indian variant is expected to take it a step further with a 50-megapixel primary rear sensor. This sensor, combined with a 2-megapixel macro shooter and an auxiliary lens, forms a formidable triple rear camera setup. The front camera is likely to host an 8-megapixel sensor, similar to the global model. As for the color options, the Indian variant has been teased in Stardust Black and Starshine Green. These colorways offer a fresh, vibrant alternative to the Clover Green, Glacier White, Midnight Black, and Navy Blue options available globally. Rounding up the features, the Indian variant is also expected to run Android 13-based MIUI 14 out of the box. It's likely to carry a 5000 mAh battery with 18W wired fast charging support, ensuring that you can power through your day without worrying about running out of juice. While the official specifications are yet to be confirmed, it's clear that the Redmi 13C is set to make a splash in the Indian market. With its powerful processor, high-definition display, and impressive camera setup, this phone is shaping up to be a strong contender in its segment. Stay tuned as we await more details on this exciting new release. So, what's the final takeaway on the Redmi 13C? This smartphone is set to make waves in the Indian market with its launch on December 6th. It's offering some impressive features such as a 50-megapixel primary rear camera, a 9nm MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, and a 5000 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charging support. And let's not forget the stunning Stardust Black and Starshine Green color options exclusively for India. In terms of performance, the Indian variant is expected to match its global counterpart, providing similar specifications, including a 6.74-inch HD plus LCD display and a triple rear camera unit. The anticipation is heightened by the expected Android 13-based MIUI 14 operating system, promising a seamless user experience. As we eagerly await the official launch, it's clear that the Redmi 13C is a device to watch out for. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting new release.